guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on my August Ipsy unbagging. I wanted to tell you guys this before I start. I am actually refilming this because I did film this earlier, and when I sat down to edit it, that was all blurry. So now I'm just going to go ahead and refilm this really quickly because my husband's about to go to bed because he has work tonight. There's one product in here that was kind of wrapped in plastic, and because I filmed it earlier, it's not wrapped in plastic anymore. So there's that. But anyway, today's going to be my August Ipsy unbagging, and I did not film an Ipsy unbagging last month because my July Ipsy bag was missing, and I actually emailed Ipsy about it a couple of days ago, and they were kind enough to send me another one. Obviously not going to film a July Ipsy unbagging because we're already in August, but if you guys are interested, I will have an Instagram story or a Snapchat story of all the products that I received for my July Ipsy Glam Bag. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and if you guys have not done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also hit that notification bell so you guys can stay notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. If you guys want to see all of the stuff that I received for my August Ipsy Glam Bag, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you guys are unaware of what Ipsy is a $10 monthly beauty subscription where you get about 4 to 5 beauty products, and they can range from makeup, skincare, even makeup brushes, and sometimes the products are deluxe size samples or regular size samples or even full size products. But pretty much the products in the bag are pretty much worth more than the actual subscription itself. Sometimes Ipsy has its hits and misses, but so far I've been loving Ipsy. I've been a member of Ipsy for a while now, and I'm not really looking into quitting Ipsy at the moment, but so far I've been loving all of the products I've been receiving on Ipsy recently. So anyway, let's just go ahead and see what is in this month's bag. So this month's bag looks like this. It is a peachy, corally type of bag. It has a cloth material, and the color actually reminds me of one of my color schemes for my wedding last year in August, and I absolutely love it. And it has a yellow trim around the side, and the tassel is yellow. I love the tassel handle, by the way, and I think this is just a great summertime bag. So let's just go ahead and see what's inside my bag this month. Okay, so this month's theme is confidence level selfie with no filter, and as always it comes with a card, and it just shows you or tells you how to share your Ipsy products via social media. Okay, so the first thing that I got in my bag is this one from the brand Oribe, and I'm probably butchering that name, but this is their matte wave texture lotion, and I received products from Oribe from Ipsy a few months back, and I actually have their dry shampoo, and I absolutely love it. It's probably one of my favorite dry shampoo, and I don't normally use dry shampoo a lot, but when I do, I always reach out for that one because it smells so good, and it just gets rid of that oiliness in my hair after a 3-4 days of no washing it. But it smells really good. It smells really refreshing. And I guess this one is probably, if you guys want to create a beachy wave kind of hairdo, this would be perfect. And I'm actually going to go ahead and smell this. It smells really good. It smells super refreshing. I'm not going to try this on right now because I just took a shower and I want to maintain my hair, my straight hair for now. But I really love this. I sometimes create beachy waves when I have time, because I don't know, I do have 3 kids, and almost one of them is an almost 1-year-old, so it's very hard to manage time and beauty and all that. But when I do have time, I will try this out, and I will let you guys know what I think about this. Okay, next product in the bag is from the brand Ciate London, and this is the Glow 2 highlighter. I've actually received one of their products from either Ipsy or BB+Cream, and that's probably one of my favorite Ciate London products, and it's the Star Struck eyeliner, and it's so pigmented and super matte, and it dries super quickly, and it just helps create a really great wing line. But this is the first, I don't think I've ever received a Ciate London highlighter. So let's let's just see what the product looks like. The packaging, by the way, is super cute, and I love the gold. I don't know if you guys can see the gold reflex, but that's what it is. And this is what the product looks like. It comes in a little plastic protector thing, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out. By the way, I really love first of all, I love the size of the pen, and I love the color of the pen. It's like a see-through case, but you can see the shade through it, and the shade of this, or the color of this, is really beautiful. It's like a light rose gold shade, and it's super creamy. And when I swatched it in the back on my fingers, it felt very buttery. And then I'll swatch it for you guys. Super stunning. That's a really horrible swatch. But yes, that is what it looks like, and it's gorgeous. I really love the undertone of this. I think it's just gonna make a beautiful highlighter. It doesn't have the magnetic attachment in the back. So if you guys have magnetic things to attach this to, so you can put it in your Z palette, you can probably do that. I do have some magnetic stuff. I think I gave some to my daughter, but I will grab some and then stick it in here so I can stick it onto my Z palette. But I really love the shade of this. I think it's super gorgeous. Okay, next up is from the brand Cooler, and this is their organic BB cream, and it's in the shade golden. I've never received a product from Cooler, nor have I ever tried a BB cream before, but I know that BB cream is really good if you guys want to put on your makeup but don't want that feeling of a heavy foundation. So this is more of a lighter side, and I don't know if golden would be a match for me. So let's just go ahead and try this. I think I'm more than sure Kathleen Light, or you know what, there's another YouTuber that I watch, Andrea Mattiliano. I'm probably butchering her last name, but I know that she's mentioned this before. Something from the brand, but it's not this one. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this and see what it looks like. Obviously this is a sample size. So that is what the shade looks like, and I think this would be a good match for me considering I'm kind of tan. So it's not super dark or anything. So I think when you blend it out when I blend it out onto my skin, I think it will blend out perfectly well. And it feels very light, doesn't feel heavy, it feels moisturizing, and it has a little bit, it has a scent too, like a minty scent. That's what it has a minty scent, but it's not too overpowering, and it has a cooling effect, which I really like actually. I'm excited to try this out. Next up is from the brand Bang Beauty, and I think this is an eyeshadow. I'm not quite sure. I don't think I've ever received a product from Bang Beauty before, and I've never really heard of them. But this is the eyeshadow, and it is the Smokey, it's in the shade Smokey. So this is what the packaging looks like, and when you open it up, it is a mini quad eyeshadow palette. So you have 4 shades in here, and it's really good to create a smoky eye look. I'm just gonna swatch the shades for you guys. Okay, so I swatched the all 4 shades, and I will tell you guys that the matte shades are kind of, you know, not too great, but the shimmer shades, you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the shimmer shades are very pigmented, and they felt much more creamier than the actual matte shade. So they swatch really beautifully. I don't know how well they will perform on the eyes, so maybe I'll use this in a future video or something, or use this as an eye look and take a picture of it using this on Instagram. But yeah, so that is what they look like. I really love how the shimmery highlighter shade felt, and I think this would make a great all over the it would make a great all over the lip color. So you got one more product in the bag, and this is probably one of the cutest packaging I've ever seen in my entire life, and this is from the brand Glam Bag, and it is their Sweet Treat Lip Gloss. But I am living for this packaging, you guys. It's just super cute. It's in the shape of a popsicle, and I really love it. This was the product that I mentioned earlier that was wrapped in plastic, and I love it. It's just amazing. I can never get over how cute this packaging is. Glam Bag always had the cutest packaging ever, and I they just do such a great job in terms of packaging and product itself. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I don't know if there's a name for this, but it's just a tinted peachy toned lip gloss, and then when you open it, the applicator is the little popsicle wand. So that is what it looks like a little dope applicator, and it has a peachy scent to it, but it's not an overpowering peachy scent. So, and then when you swatch it, the shade is super pretty, and I think my 11-year-old daughter would probably love this because she's getting into makeup, and I'm trying not to let her get into too much makeup, but I'm just letting her introducing her to the simple world of makeup, I guess. But I think I would probably let her borrow this or practice onto her, because this is perfect for those who are beginners and or don't wear a lot of lipstick or dark colored lipstick. But this is just a perfect lip gloss with a hint of peachy shade to it. So I really love this one, and it feels great. Okay guys, so that is all the stuff that I received in my August Ipsy bag. If you guys are Ipsy subscribers, let us know down below in the comments what you guys received in this month's bag. Let me know if you guys liked it, loved it, hated it, wish you guys got more things, new things, other things. Let me know, and I would love to hear from you guys. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and always stay notified by hitting that notification bell. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.